Today experiment is study of phase shifting modulation technique. Objective: observation of the nature and the spectrum of the modulated waveform. 2. Measurement the essential bandwidth. 3. Analysis the reception quality by cross correlation characteristics. Equipments: PSK modulation and demodulation kit, power supply, oscilloscope and connecting links. This is our block diagram. This is our waveform. First one is clock signal, then third one and second one 2 is carrier signal, and fourth is message signal, and fifth is PSK modulation output, and last one is demodulated output. PSK, another hybrid model of communication, that is, one is analog bit, that is carrier signal, and other is digital bit, that is message signal or control signal. Control signal is digital bit, unipolar signal 0 or 1, and carrier signal is always a sine wave or analog signal used. When message signal high or one state to another state 1 to 0, then output PSK output phase is shifted. Again the message signal 0 to 1 state, now again phase is shift here. Again 1 to 0 state, phase is shifted here like this. This is our PSK modulation and demodulation kit. This is our power section, and this is our data generation section. This is data clock section. This is switch for input selector, input bit selection. This is carrier modulator, and this switch is modulation set, ASK, FSK, now PSK, and this point is ground point, and this is output, modulation output. When the demodulation, modulation output and PSK in this 2 point connected through the connecting links, and demodulation output present in this point. This is our power supply, and this is our DSO. When measured the clock signal, at first DSO black cable is grounded and red cable connected the data link or data clock, and press auto. This is our clock signal, run and stop and press measure. Note down the clock signal amplitude and frequency. Amplitude is 5.28 volt and frequency 256 kilohertz. Amplitude is 5.28 volt, 5.28 volt, and frequency 256.4 kilohertz. Now measure the data or serial data. Press auto and run on stop and measure the message signal or data signal or control signal. Amplitude is 5.28 volt and frequency 128 kilohertz. 5.28 volt and frequency 128 kilohertz. Note down this amplitude or frequency. Now measure the carrier signal. Press auto and measure. This is our carrier signal. Carrier signal amplitude is 2.52 volt, 2.52 volt, amplitude 2.52 volt, and frequency 190.8 kilohertz. 190.8 kilohertz. Now connect the serial data to control input and measure the modulated output, that is our PSK. Press auto stop when message data or input data one state to another state. In this condition, phase is shifted. At the same time, we measured message signal or output signal. Press run and stop. And show this position when message bit is active high or 1, 2 active low or 0. Message bit shift 1 to 0. Now phase is shift in this position. Again message bit shifted to 0 to 1. Again phase is shifted 0 to 1. Again message bit shift to 1 to 0. Again output bit shifted 1 to 0, like this. This is our output and input signal. Blue color is input and yellow color is output, PSK signal. Now measure the demodulated output. Connect the PSK output to PSK in, and DSO red cable is connected PSO demodulated output, and press auto. This is our input and output result. Blue color is input and yellow color is output, demodulated waveform, and press measure. Channel 1 is output and channel 2 is input. Output signal amplitude is 5.40 volt. Channel 1 is output, amplitude is 5.40 volt and frequency 128 kilohertz. Channel 2 input amplitude 5.40 volt and frequency is 128 kilohertz. Thank you all.